Hey there, happy Monday, or whichever day you're watching this. My name's Rick Vanover, Senior Director of Product Strategy here at Veeam, and I wanted to make a quick video that can set up the replay of Tech Field Day 22. Now, you could just go watch through the Veeam sessions and, understand what we're getting at, and hopefully we communicated well. That was the number one goal. But there's really a lot more to the agenda we put up, and I wanted to walk you through that so that as you watch this replay and the event replays, you really have a good sense of what Veeam's up to. So we gave, I think, 5 segments at this event, and I want to walk you through briefly each of those. The first was the first one that I gave, which was the Veeam Overview and introducing our topic for today, 2020 and beyond. As a company, we're right in the middle of Act 2. I actually wanted to ask the delegates early, what's your perception of Veeam? I think that's really important. I wanted to understand and, see what I was dealing with the live crowd, but I know what the market crowd is also. Gone are the days that Veeam is just a small, medium business backup product for virtual machines. We've come such a long way. And if you look at the rest of this agenda, you'll see that that's the case. And then on top of that, our company Act 2 is well underway. 2020 has had more product releases than ever. And then even if you go back to March, when Insight Partners acquired Veeam, we're becoming a U.S. company. That's a great milestone. So many things are going good here at Veeam. I'm on my 11th year, next month will be my 11th kickoff. So over 10 years, I've seen so many changes in the company, great product enhancements, more products. Everything's good right now. So I'm trying to introduce that. The second segment was me, and I talked about object storage enhancements. So our new tier called the Archive tier, which is part of the scale-out backup repository, that's going to be part of Veeam Backup and Replication version 11. I explained that. Now, I would be remiss if you didn't check out some of the back story to this. And if you look at some of the other Tech Field Days that Veeam is presented at, namely Cloud Field Day 5, where Anthony and Michael Cade have done some stories, as well as Tech Field Day 20, which was last year, where I introduced the scale-out backup repository in general. There's David. You can see a lot of history from the other Veeam spots in Cloud Field Day, so check that out. We've invested in Tech Field Day over the years. 17 times we've been there. So I look at Tech Field Day as a great community resource, and myself personally, I went to the very first Tech Field Day as a delegate, so I understand the value of this community outreach. We're continuing the story. We're continuing on with the object storage enhancements, and don't let the video fool you. I don't use a Mac. I don't know why that has a Mac on the little screenshot, but that's just me. The next segment is Veeam 1 version 11. And Veeam 1 doesn't always get all of the attention that the backup products do, but Melissa Palmer and Kirsten Stoner, we showed this product here at Tech Field Day 22 for the very first time in public. So we've had VMworld, we've had Veeam On, we've had all these other Veeam Live type of events. Tech Field Day 22, we showed this product first. So, the bigger story, not just backup, but also the management of that and other supported infrastructures. So that was a good session as well. Then we come back to me to talk about the hardened Linux repository, which is going to be a new part of Veeam Backup and Replication version 11. We actually weren't sure on the name. Actually, it just got finalized, of course, after it got broadcast on Thursday, but it is going to be called the hardened Linux repository. I'll overview that, give a good demo, and I even asked the delegates, hey, tell me if you can break this, right? So this is a pretty resilient media. Happy to have that on the agenda. The next one is Veeam Availability Orchestrator. Again, this is more to the story with Veeam, and Melissa gives a great overview of what we have now and what we're going into with the next version, whether it's orchestrating replicas, backups, storage snapshots, and eventually more. The Orchestrator product is really going to be part of a broader way to manage what we're out to do with backup and more. So she gives a great overview on that. And then the last segment is possibly the most Act 2 centric session that we provided at this event, and that's really telling the story of why Veeam acquired CastIn and what that set of technology is. Now, cloud native applications, Kubernetes, containers, these are not things that are always going to be something that every IT pro deals with and knows about. But the way we look at it is, go where the market's going, and the market is going this way. Whether or not Kubernetes and cloud native apps are in your future now, they likely will be at some point. Regardless, I talk to customers all the time that are, in different levels of readiness with this. We're going to be there when they are. So this was really great. And David did a great overview of the market and also a demo of what we have here. So I hope that you consume this Tech Field Day 22 information with some context, and that was the goal of this video. And I hope that you're going to, watch our next Tech Field Day events that will be into 2021, and then you can go through some of the other ones. More recent, more relevant as a general rule, but in particular, Cloud Field Day 5 and Tech Field Day 20 had some relevant stuff for recent times. So thanks for watching this quick video. I hope you enjoy the Tech Field Day 22 replay, and big thanks to both Gestalt IT team, Stephen Foskett's group, and then also to Melissa, to Kirsten and David. I think we did a great job, and I'm really proud in myself, and I did okay on getting this done. So enjoy the replays, and let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.